Did you know your eyes lie to you every single day? Let me prove it to you.
Welcome to the episode 1 of a brand new series, Let's Cure, where health sciences meets fun fact, where myths get busted, where learning feels like a reel, not a lecture.
Wait, it's moving. No way, bro.
What's happening? Simple. Your brain is filling in the gaps which your eye can't handle.
Your eyes are not cameras. They send messy data. Your brain has the ability to edit it like a Photoshop.
And here's the real kicker. Your eyes are so unique, they beat fingerprint at security.
Just don't let those flares turn into losses. Get your eyes checked, protect the windows to your world.